Right, I'm going to show you how powerful it is for having one link. This is my link tree. I have covered it with Swan links. So if you notice, if I type in Swan links, it'll go to my link tree. It's called masked forwarding. We're going to have a video for you to check that out. But this is what I want you to see. So this is what mine looks like. I've got my Help Me Rhonda show. This allows people to register for my show. This is the 30K in 30-day challenge, Instagram growth. But this is the cool part. The only thing that I have been pushing, the only thing under Swan links has been this. Now, what I'm going to show you is this. This is my back office of my link tree. I have added the pro account, which is $6, so that I can see these statistics. This is what is mind-blowing. First off, when you get here, I want you to, all you do is click on the button and add in the title and the link. That's it. So you can have anything in here, your About Me page, you can have, your Facebook page, you can have a Zoom webinar registration like I have here. But this is what I want to show you. I have not promoted any other link on this link tree other than the 30K in 30 day. Now, there has been 272 people just in the last 7 days, 207, that have gone to this link. Now, if you remember how I've been instructing is every live, you can say, hey, morning everyone, you introduce your setup, and you say, if you don't have time, you can go back to Swan links or your one link you buy from Google or GoDaddy that you can host your link tree. Because I've been saying that, people have been coming here. So there's 272 coming here because that's what I've been telling them to go look for. It's at the top. But look what else is getting traffic. This one was brand new, so no traffic. Look at this one, Instagram growth. 110 people have looked at it. 64 for media kits, 32 for brand makeovers and consulting, 32 for retreats, 36 for About Me's, 17 for my free download, 116 for another 30-day challenge I put up. And then master classes for 12. These ones are shut off, so you have to turn them on and turn them green. These were only on for a short period of time, but look at the mad amount of traffic that I have gotten. So this is the power of the one link. They get here, and because I've told them to look for this, go there, register for 30K in 30 day. In fact, I'm going to pull the 30K up. There we go. So if I move the direction, and then I click on this side, and it should reset up the links properly. So now I'm going to go back here and recycle here. And there you go, 30K in 30 days at the top. But this is the great thing about it. All I've done is told people to go look at this. And the amount of traffic all my other links are getting is madness. So this is why we do one link. Because even though I'm saying Swan links and I want them to come here, maybe the challenge goes off. And then what happens in these videos? That link would be dead if it was one link, if it was not just the one link for Linktree. Now, if this goes away, they can still come here and start clicking and looking at other things I offer. So another proof in the pudding as to why using one link and using Linktree matters. Okay, if you haven't gotten yours, go get it now.